Hi, I'm Tommy with BuyToWayRadios.com, and this is Radio 101. The TYT TH-350 is a solid tri-band UHF-VHF analog handheld radio that operates on the 2-meter, 1.25 meter, and 70 centimeter amateur radio frequencies at up to 5 watts of power. Like other TYT radios, the TH-350 can be reset. However, it's not listed as an option in the menu. So, how do you do it? To perform a reset on the TH-350, first turn off the radio. While holding down the PTT and the menu keys, turn the radio on. The radio should display reset with VFO below it. Use the up-down keys to choose VFO or all. Then press the menu button to confirm. The word wait will appear on the screen, and it may stay for about 7 seconds or so if all is selected. Once it goes back to the main screen, the radio should be reset. A reset may resolve many issues or malfunctions, but may not work for every scenario. However, it is usually a recommended first step when troubleshooting a two-way radio. Of course, if you have any other how-to questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call, email, or hit us up on our online chat at BuyToWayRadios.com. I'm Tommy with BuyToWayRadios.com, and this is Radio 101. Class dismissed.